Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I am David, I'm the content manager here at Be More Social, going to help you grow your business through social media. And today what we're talking about is value proposition. Okay, what is your value proposition? How do you write one? Where do you find it? What's it for? Is it the same as USP? Oh, I don't even know what my USP is. Are these questions that you get as a business owner? Probably. When you come through our system and our onboarding process and you meet your digital guru, all of this stuff will start coming up. And you may be thinking like, oh my gosh, where do I start with all of this? Now, some of you are going to have it all figured out, and that's fine too. This video is just going to help you a little bit understand what your value proposition is. How do I find out what it is, basically? And you know, do I need it written up? And then when I'm speaking to people about my business, do I talk about my value proposition? Your value proposition is basically a simple statement that you use to describe your business and why customers should buy from you. Okay, as an example, I'm going to put on the screen right now the Be More Social value proposition, which is basically we partner you with a digital guru to help you grow your business through social media. Okay, it's really clear. People who have no idea about our business can then get a brief snippet and an understanding as to what we do. Okay, they don't know who their digital guru is or what that looks like, but they know that we're going to try and help them grow their business through social media. Now, every value proposition should try and speak to the customer's needs and basically try and solve their problem. Okay, so if you're having problems growing your business, first of all, are you having problems with social media? Are you struggling with it? You know, do you understand it? Is it really benefiting your business or not? You know, lots of businesses now have had to adapt and take their businesses online very quickly. Okay, so if you've got a business owner who's new, who's not really got a basic understanding, they've just, you know, they're on Google, they've got a Facebook page, but that's about it. You're probably going to be one of those people that's like, okay, I need some help. So we as Be More Social will speak into them and say, look, we will partner you with a digital guru who's going to help you solve your problems with social media, educate you, and then basically grow your business through those platforms. And at the same time, we're going to teach you how to do it as well. So when you come across to these prospects and potential customers, you basically got to come across as the problem solver. Okay, you're going to help them. You are making their life better by using you and the service. You know, you're going to make their life better. And how are you going to do it? Well, through this product or this service or, you know, whatever that looks like for you. Okay, you're probably populating ideas right now just watching this. And that's really what you want to do. So fine tune all of those benefits of working with you. What do they look like? Write them down. You know, save more time. You know, get better ideas, or you know, it allows me to do this. It allows me to do this. And think about that from a personal perspective, but also from a business perspective. If you're B2B, it's really like, what does your service allow the other business owner to do at the other end of the phone? So my best advice for you is to start brainstorming the benefits. The benefits of working with you. What problem do you solve? How do you do it? You know, how do you make their life better? What does that look like? Start brainstorming these features and benefits for your business, and then put that into a sentence. How can you put that into a statement that really says you're going to help someone? So for example, I'm going to put a couple of these value proposition examples on the screen just so you can read them, and maybe this helps you even further. Okay, I help marketing teams to resonate with their target audiences by communicating with clarity and compassion. Okay, your local coffee shop may have a value proposition that's similar to this one. We help our local customers to feel good and do good by fueling them up with artisanal coffee in a community-focused space. Great. Says what it does on the tin, and that's what you need to do. Now time for your homework. Go brainstorm the benefits and features of working with you. What is your value proposition? Define it, put it in a statement, tell your digital guru, and then start using that when you're speaking to potential prospects. Hope you found this useful and it's given you some insight and understanding into what a value proposition is and how you can use it for your business. If you've got any questions, let your guru know and they'll pass it on to me, probably. And we'll do some more videos. If you've liked this, let us know in the comments, and we look forward to seeing you soon.